So these are my absolute favorite leggings. To start, I will say I have had these for 3 years and I have them in 5 different colors. That's how much I love them. I pretty much wear them every day. At home, I wear them at work, and if I'm going for a jog, they are just the best leggings. I love how the elastic doesn't slip at all. They're super comfortable. They have pockets, so I'll kind of show you. There is a pocket on each side. They're really deep. Definitely can fit a phone in there, and it fits really comfortably. Same exact pocket on the opposite side. I love the seams in these. I love the little crisscross there. The top also has a pocket in the band for like a wallet, like a credit card or money, keys you can put in there. They have such great control here. I just absolutely love the way they fit. They are so comfortable and they fit me all the way around. I'm wearing a size medium, and I absolutely love them. Like I said, I have them in 5 different colors and I would definitely get them in more colors.